What side you getting?
Daddy's side?
It doesn't matter.
Welcome aboard the Calico River Rail.
Did you put your thing on?
Yeah.
Wait, mine not on. Oh
Yeah,
no!
it's Velcro.
Oh no!
It's Velcro.
This is the only light that ain't got no weight. Cause you about to get wet.
Oh!
Oh, I think we made the bad decision.
Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Put your feet up, babe.
Put your feet up.
Put my feet up.
Yeah, I got my
Put my feet up.
My booty cheek. Oh, it's not even funny. It's just, oh,
my booty.
come on. Let me make sure I got everything.
Oh! 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 Oh!
The last ride for the day. Last ride for the day.
Why did we end it off like this?
Because this was Daddy's decision.
It's time to get wet. Time to get wet. It's time to get wet. Time to get wet. It's time to get wet. Wet. It's time to get wet. It's time to get wet. It's time to get wet. Wet. Big it the big, big it the brag.
Baby is just so. Oh my God.
Oh, we ain't done yet.
Good thing it should be safe to move.
Oh my God. A water ride at night. Only your daddy.
Oh,